Hello folks, it's Eric Woody with a new video on my aquarium. It's an update from a month or two ago when I had a disaster with my fish and the algae. I've done a few things, changed water, put some droplets to kill the algae, cleaned up, taken out the sand, done a lot of stuff now. The water is clear again. Added a couple more snails, and I have 3 coral alive. I think this one little small plate coral is deceased. So I have the 1, 2 big coral there, and my 3rd coral there. Boy, it's been so long since I've been out of the the hobby, because of all of the disaster I've had. It really took me for a loop, and to start all over again is not easy. It was a tough loss to lose my fish, and then I had to figure out a way to make a comeback. But here it is, the water's glass clear again. I added some things to take down the phosphates as well, and so I'm learning. I learned from that disaster to do things differently. I'm thinking about changing my tank from this narrow 55-gallon to a 40-gallon breeder. Make some comments if you'd like to suggest things for me. So past month or so I've been doing a lot of heavy stuff in my wildlife photography. So I've been doing that almost 4 or 5 days out of the week, since I'm still not back to work. So I've been really hitting the outdoors quite a bit with the photography, getting a lot of great shots. But I'm sort of backed up on that because I can't print them out yet, because I need some cash in order to buy my ink for my printer. So there's nothing I can do about that until I get the ink, and then I have like hundreds and hundreds of shots that I can print. But that's a whole nother project, a whole nother thing I have to do. Anyway, I've been working on a lot of different things that have been going on with my apartment and some other stuff. So no stimulus check yet, so I can't do a whole lot. I just get my regular disability check every month. So that's about it. And luckily I have friends that help me out with food and things like that. So if I'm short on food, I always have some food. So that's what's going on with me. And as far as the aquarium, I think what I'll do this next month is add 2 new fans, add my new salt, get another bag of salt like I did this past month, get a bag of sand, and I'll put sand down, because I removed all the sand out, and still have to clean up a little bit more. There's a little bit of algae on the back there. I've been adding the drops every day. So once I get all this stuff straightened out, I will also add another coral or 2, maybe 2 more corals, but we'll see how it goes. I won't add fish for another month or two, maybe 2 months. We'll see how this goes with the tank, with the coral, and all of that. And I'll put the coral that's on top of the rock here. I always forget the name of this coral there. Not a zoa. It's a oh man. I just had it. But anyway, that belongs in the sand, in the substrate, that one. So I'll put that down in the sand, and the rest. Man, I can't believe I forgot the names of my corals, but it's, I haven't done anything with the tank for a month or so, so I'm finally getting back to straightening this out, get myself back into it again. It's tough losing your fish and everything going south, and you got so many other things going on in your life too, and it's kind of painful to lose your fish. It's devastating in a way, because then that's just, a very complicated thing that you have to try to figure out how to fix, because salt water is not easy. I still want to get the protein skimmer and all of that, and work on a sump and all that stuff, but when I can, I will. But for now, cleaned up the filter and everything like that. The fan's still working. It's for some reason I can't get the fan to point back up again. I guess I don't know, it's gotten loose or something like that, so it's pointing downward. I need it to point up towards the water, the top surface, to create more waves. That's why I'm adding the two new fans and stuff next month, coming up in another week or so. So that's what's going on with me with the aquarium, and I will talk to you later and show you some more stuff next month on my aquarium, and hopefully I'll get back together with this aquarium again, and it'll be back strong again. I'll add some other stuff as I go along, and like I said, if you fail, you can always get back up and start all over again and keep going. Just like in my career and my job life and whatnot. If I can't get back to work at the convention center, then I'll find something else, some other work somewhere else, another field or whatever, but I'll be back again. You can't stop, and I never will. I'm always a hard worker, and I will win, as I usually always do. Alright folks, just wanted to say hello and thank you to my subscribers and everybody that's been watching. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Peace.